Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Putri. You can call me Putri. I'm from Lambung Mangkurat University, Faculty of Economic and Business. So today, I will explain about simple present. Simple present tense is one of several forms of present tense, which is used to describe habits, unchanging situation, fixed arrangement, and general truths. For verb sentence, simple present tense has general form as subject plus verb 1 plus predicate. To make adjective sentence is subject plus to be plus noun, or subject plus to be plus adjective plus noun. For the negative form, the sentence will be subject plus don't or doesn't plus verb 1 plus predicate, and subject plus to be plus not plus noun. For the interrogative sentence, the formula does do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus question marks, and to be plus subject plus adjective or noun plus question marks. So let's continue to the subject. There are subjects of I, you, they, we, and he, she, it. I use the to be of am, and then the subject you, they, we use the to be of are, and he, she, it use the to be of is. For verb sentence, we use the verb 1 or general verb, and especially for the subject he, she, it, we add the letter s or es to the end of the verb. The explanation of simple present tense. Thank you for your attention and sorry for your mistakes, and bye bye.